Hello everybody, I am back with an unboxing video. It's been a while since I've done an unboxing. Not since I had the L series on Christmas and I demonstrated when I found some wires. So that's why that took a while. But here's this radio. I had it a few days ago, and here's the box that came with it. I got this on Sunday. Just the storage was being really difficult, and I couldn't get to upload because I did not have the good amount of time to make this video. So let's go over the features that this radio has. It's a solar flashlight radio. It's not a weather radio, but it does have shortwave, as you can see it down at the box, and it has Bluetooth. Here on the side, excuse me. It tells you everything: the solar rechargeable, removable rechargeable, emergency 8-band radio, but I'm not sure about that. It just tells you the radio. Well, it just tells you it's a radio. Powerful LED flashlight, but I can tell you it's not as powerful as the Midlands, the ER310, the 210. I don't know about the smaller hand cranks, but it's useful when you're camping and you just need a bit for your tent, like if you drop something. Micro USB and an SD. Carrying strap, telescopic antenna, USB charging cord. It comes there, everything that you could ask for, unless you're a weather enthusiast. Like, oh man, it's not a weather radio. But trust me, I'm actually a little more excited. Why? It's actually there's reasons to be excited to get something other than a weather radio, because if you actually want a shortwave radio, that's like hitting a jackpot right there. I can't tell you though, I don't have all the shortwave frequencies recognized, so I cannot get UVB 76, which is on 4625 kilohertz, or should I say 4.625. I will need another radio that can have all those frequencies supported, kind of like a Sea Crane or a Tucson, something like that. I heard those are pretty good, but if you have any better suggestions for shortwave, please let me know. The micro USB. Oh, let's look at the top part. So this right here is the flashlight. See? And then that's where you can plug in your microchip. So if you have songs plugged into that, you can put it there. That's where you can charge your phone. And then here is if you want to listen to the radio, the FM AM shortwave, and all that good stuff. But if you have if you want to connect to Bluetooth, this radio has Bluetooth. You can go to MP3. Bluetooth. There. Bam. And then you can just connect it there, unless you have a USB. Then you can go from there. So let's look at the face of this radio. It's got a big speaker, not too big, but here's where you can look at all the shortwave stations. So as you can see, it has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 through 6. All those numbers will be down here. So let's say I left my radio on the 4th row on the station, and I decided, oh, well, I want to get WWV from Fort Collins, Colorado. So you could just adjust the tune, or not the tune, but you can adjust the band, basically, and then you can use this side here, the tuning knob, up to that appropriate station you want to get. And then down here is your volume knob. Obviously this radio's turned on, but you have to
Bluetooth.
go up. When you hear that click, it turns off the radio, but when you go down, you hear another click, it turns on the radio. So let's switch to it. Let's go to FM. Let's go to AM. Oops.
I mean, the ticks are now down, you know, not too high, 25%, and it just, you know.
Shortwave. Let's actually do WWV. Oh, I'm on the wrong. No, that's the right one. Oops. Well, it looks like I'm not getting it very well. So yeah, and then of course you got the telescopic arena antenna, not arena, telescopic antenna. And then here's your solar pad. You can adjust all the way to here. That's as far as you can go. And then right here it tells you if it's charging. Does need a DC direct current 6 volt. And then just put it back in place. Flashlight, sorry I haven't demonstrated. And then down here the buttons, when you have an MP3 or a Bluetooth, you can use this button instead of having to reach to your phone. You can repeat the song, you can play, pause, repeat, or not repeat, previous and the next. Now we're gonna compare to the ER210, the 310. You see, it's kind of have like almost the same like bulkiness. But the Midland is bigger, but the QFX is a little bigger than the Sangean HDR14. You can tell. How big it is in length and the width compared to the HDR14. It looks nice. So that's pretty much it for this radio. Like I said, I'll one day get me a C crane, just a shortwave radio. I don't care if it has AM and FM, but something like this. So far, I'm loving it. I've gone stations from the Vatican, Japan. It looks like WWV. I'll probably get them better at night or such, but I know for shortwave they don't broadcast 24/7. So that's what I learned. That's pretty much it for this non-weather radio unboxing. And the next will be the Timex, which is I'm about to plug back in. I'll tell you more all about this radio that you've been seeing for a while. And then I gotta unbox this fan, but I'm not gonna make a video about it. But I do like fans, but don't want a collection. Honestly, it'll make me look like a hoarder, and I like to be clean. So that's about it, everybody. Happy 4th of July, and I'll see you in the next video.